We're a pre-seed and seed stage venture capital firm based in San Francisco. I started the firm in 2014. Before I had Missive, I had one assistant who worked with me. We would have these issues where there'd be something in Gmail that needed help. And I would say, oh, there's an email in Gmail, it's from this person. This would all happen offline. It would happen in Discord or it would happen in some other messaging system. It's like, hey, can you go into Gmail, find this email from this person, and here's what I want to say. What we really needed was the ability to talk about emails in the same way that we would make comments in a Notion doc or talk about a Google Doc together. I was like, why can't we do this with email? If you have more than one person in your inbox, you need Missive. It's this magical tool where you and the people you're working with can collaborate on your emails so that you don't spend as much time going to some other third-party channel to talk about email. If you want to talk about an email, you should talk about it literally where it exists and it's being written. It's the core productivity tool for our company.